I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for the gym. This nutritious soup is a fantastic way to refuel your body after a workout. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, aiding in muscle recovery and overall well-being. Plus, its high water content helps keep you hydrated, which is super important. Enjoy a delicious, satisfying meal that supports your fitness goals without feeling heavy. For a truly beneficial gym soup, select a colorful array of fresh vegetables. Think carrots, celery, bell peppers, and leafy greens like spinach or kale. Don't forget a lean protein source. Chicken breast, turkey, or lentils work wonderfully. A low-sodium vegetable broth forms the perfect base, and a touch of olive oil adds healthy fats and enhances flavor. Start by chopping all your vegetables into similar, manageable pieces for even cooking. Begin by sautéing aromatics like onion and garlic in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil for about 3 to 5 minutes until fragrant. Then, add your broth and harder vegetables, simmering for 15 minutes. Finally, stir in your softer greens and cooked protein, letting it all meld together until tender. Feel free to customize your soup with your favorite herbs and spices, like thyme, oregano, or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving can brighten all the flavors. For storage, let the soup cool completely, then transfer it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or you can freeze individual portions for quick, healthy meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.